Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts again. Today we're looking at showers. We're going to look at the terminology about all the bits and pieces that might help you understand what we use in the trade and a lot of people are using. Okay, so first of all, we'll go start at the top. This is called what you term as a fixed head. I know it swivels because that's on a little ball joint up here on the end of the riser tube. So we've got the fixed head riser rail all the way down into the bar shower. That's called a bar shower, obviously because of the design of it. Here we also have the slider handset holder, midway bracket. This is called the handset, this part. This is a very thin one, but you could have a circular head. Hose. Back to the bar shower, this side. Off in the middle, that way turns overhead, that way it turns handset, and then this way obviously is your thermostat. Set at 36 max, you probably heard that click then. Let's get it hotter, push a little button in and you can go hotter. So these obviously both have cartridges in. This one will have a thermostatic cartridge. This one here, as it's controlling two outlets, it'll have what's called a diverter, diverting the water. If it only had one outlet, it would technically be an on-off valve, because all you're doing is turning the one outlet on. So this has two, so it's called a diverter. That's in there, set in there. You can access that by the handles and remove it. Right, next we'll just have a look at a recessed shower. This is obviously, as opposed to the bar ones, which are accessible on the surface. This one is, it's got all the main body is within that wall, but you can still access things. This is a triple, so you've got thermostat at the bottom controlling the temperature of the water, an on-off for the shower, literally quarter turn on-off, and an on-off for the overhead rain head on-off. So these are quarter turn on-off valves, not diverter valves. Right, we just thought we'd show you this one as well because it's a little bit different. This is three-way. It's actually got a spout as well. But you'll notice on this, the diverter controls the overhead, that one. And then the other way, it will come out of the spout. Obviously thermostatically controlled out of the spout, so it's nice to fill a bath. And then you've got the diverter for your hose is actually on the spout. So you put it on spout, lift that up, the pressure will hold it, and then water will come out your handset. Right, we'll have a look at this one while we're here, because it's so different, but it's a lovely bit of kit. It's a hands grower shower. Here, temperature, and then it's just push buttons, as you can see there. Push for that, and push for the overhead. Again, this can be accessed. This will all come off and expose all the parts in here that you'll need to do any repairs.